building, that's what we call the Mt Kinabalu City Mosque. This is one of the biggest mosques so far that we have. It can take about 10,000 people. Right, 10,000 people, and we call it the floating mosque. It's not really floating, right? Just surrounded by water. Right, so this is the one and only mosque.
Yeah, 2 years ago, we have this international climbathon. Yeah, and last year, recently in this yeah, people goes who are living near the mountain area, and we are living here near them.